Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this file on my Facebook page and wanted to know how to just get the wheat. And I guess this part of the stem I've already done. It came out really good. I'm going to show you two ways to do this, and I'll make two videos. So let's go to, it is just a grayscale bitmap. It's 600 dots per inch, so we don't really have to go to resample, but we will, and it is 600 dots per inch. And it is small, so that's good. We're going to go to bitmap, and we're going to convert it to a bitmap. We're going to convert it to grayscale. If you use black and white, this is what's going to happen. It's going to take away that gray. So you need to go to bitmap, convert to bitmap, convert to grayscale. Then you need to go to bitmap, outline trace, clip art, and trace it. And it's almost done. It's done. Your new copy is going to be on top. So we're going to move it to our yellow box, and you can see it's got a white background as normal. Go to Arrange, Group, Ungroup, and we're going to get rid of that white. We're going to get rid of that gray. We do not need some of these parts to get in our way. I got rid of my box. We're going to grab all that. And if you ever get to this point, just move your box out of the way for a minute, because you're grabbing your box. It's on top. You can get the tractor. Try not to delete any of the leaves. And I think we got it. All right, bring the yellow box back in. Not really a big deal because you know it's transparent. Now there are two ways to do this. And I'm going to make two videos, but there's more than two ways to do it. This leaf has a problem. You could fix it, but why not just delete it? Grab that leaf, Control D, and make a duplicate. Bring it down, double click on it, hit a rotation, and then move it to about where the other leaf was. Now, if you have X8 and above, life is a little easier because you have the smoothing tool. That leaf is individual, so we're going to click on the leaf, and you can see the nodes appear. Let me zoom in a little bit. So when you click on it, you see the nodes, and you just lightly change it and get rid of some of those square corners. Now you can go too far. Now where these leaves are individual, you might want to lower your nib size or your brush size, so you're just doing that one leaf and not the whole stem. And you could go through here and change it quite a bit. Now, if you do not have X8 and above, everybody's got the shape tool. You can click on that leaf right there. Let's zoom in. Take the shape tool and just delete that one node. Maybe you can delete that node. That's a much better leaf. Same thing on here. Just delete these sharper nodes. And you could go through here and delete these nodes. Maybe delete one of those, delete that guy, and you could do it. Now, you could take the whole thing and convert it to black, if that's what you want. So that's one way to do it. And after you did the whole thing, and like I said, the smoothing tool really helps on something like this. Grab the smoothing tool. We're going to make our brush size maybe 0.2. And then click on that and watch what it does. Let me zoom in here. Watch what it does to that line. It just smooths out that line, make it a vector line. That leaf is individual. Just click on it. And if you go too far, you can always back up. And what I like to do is just hold it down and just kind of make a sweeping motion. And let's see what it looks like. You've got to select your item, and then just make a sweeping motion. All right, and then stay tuned for another one. I'm going to show you how to do it a completely different way. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.